Hey, what is up everyone? So this is the yet another trip for LAP, and right now I'm in a boat.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So sorry for the noise and interruption. So this is yet another trip, and we are in Alapi or Alapla, Alapuza. So many names of one single place, and we have booked a boat, you can see, and we are traveling in the backwater and some other good places of this town. So let us see where we go. So actually this place is famous for backwaters, and I can see so many boats today. I mean, even if it is Monday, I can see a lot of travelers coming around and exploring this town, which is a good thing because mostly on weekends it is a lot crowded, but आज इतना crowd नहीं है. So I guess we will have a little less traffic here, and we have already started our journey. तो अब तो पता नहीं destination कौन कौन से है, पर yes, we are expecting there would be some good places to visit with this boat. So you can see the beautiful boats. So there was also one ferry, which is, I guess, a passenger ferry which takes to different local places. We asked, but most of the places they are not taking to those locations. So we didn't go for the public ferry and we went for private ferry. So this place is also famous for houseboats, but they are pretty much expensive. I mean, if you are on a honeymoon or newly married, you can actually go for it. It's around 6,000, maybe might be starting from 5,000 rupees, and it will go up till as much as you want to spend. So the good thing about traveling is you can spend on it as much as you can. We are on a budget travel, so we are not going to spend too much on these things.
Baby, you should have known from the start, darling. Let it fight higher and higher. Let it go. Can't deny it before the start. Let it go. Don't play with my heart, baby. You should
ये है यहाँ का पालतू ईगल, इसे हम ले सकते हैं हाथ में. Can you see it?
start, darling. Let it fight higher and higher. Let it go. Can't deny it before the start. Let it go.
everyone. So we are in the middle of the sea, and this place is called Vemenadu Lake. So this is one of the largest lake of Alapi, and wherever you go you can see the waters only, and the birds flying, and some birds are swimming as well. तो यहाँ का पानी कुछ साफ़ है, और I can see some plants growing right inside the water. तो पता नहीं कौन से plants है, but I guess it grows right on the top of the surface of the sea, और I can see it in so many places. और यहाँ पे है boats, बहुत सारे boats, and the sun is directly facing to me, or I am facing to sun directly, so it is a little bit of sunlight, but the weather is good today, and I can see so many birds flying. So there are so many two-storied houseboats, एक माला दो माला, and I guess it would be like a hotel only. I haven't seen it from inside, but I think कि होटल जैसा ही होगा. So it's really peaceful and calming. So whenever you feel like you're depressed from your work, or you're frustrated and you don't know what to do, or you're trying to find yourself, just come to these kind of places, because it will help. It will help you a lot, and if you're really confused about something, and then you must come, because being in surrounding of nature is one of the most important thing for your mental healing. So just come here. और अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम ना भी हो, still come. It's really good place to chill out. So finally we are about to reach back to the boarding point, so from the point where we started, and it was a really good journey. So if you ever come to Alapi, just get a houseboat or a normal boat if you are on a budget and take it and just go for a ride. I mean, for 3 hours, 4 hours, depending upon the amount of time that you get. तो ये एक एक्सपीरियंस है जो करने जैसा है अलपी में. There are so many places around. So we had seen one beach where we are staying, and that beach is full of crabs. I mean, बहुत ही बड़े बड़े crabs हैं वहाँ पे. So in the morning I just went there and I tried to take a bath, but I couldn't because the waves were really high, and there were a plenty of crabs. I mean, you can announce it as a crab land. तो इस तरह की situation थी वहाँ पे. So yeah, we are trying to explore some more beaches if we take a bath anywhere, because it's been a long time. Last time I was in Goa when I took bath in a beach, and it was a really good experience. तो वागातोर and Palolem beach में नहाए थे हम लोग, and it was a really good experience. So you can see the kids are playing cricket, and there is one more boat around. और ये आ गई बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग, ह्यूमन मेड बिल्डिंग्स, जो कि पूरा मज़ा किरकिरा करती है, बट स्टिल सम ऑफ द important infrastructure is needed, like the last time when I was traveling in Munnar, तो वहाँ पे I mean if the roads weren't that smooth, I wouldn't have been able to ride bike. तो that is necessary. तो कुछ चीज़ें तो ज़रूरी हैं, जैसे कि रोड्स, जैसे कि ये बोट्स, जैसे कि ग्रीनरी, जैसे कि schools. But these things, I mean, yeah, there is also one more building in Munnar as well. और मतलब दूर से अगर आप देखोगे तो पूरा का पूरा मज़ा किरकिरा कर देगी. So that kind of scenery it creates. So we are finally here, and I'll see you guys in some time. So we are finally out of the boat, and it was a great experience. Now I want to have tea, so कहीं पे चाय ढूंढता हूँ मैं. I'll see you in some time. कहाँ गई बाइक? I guess Fokat में ही बाइक ले ली. We had to go in a boat. Here it is. So this is my rented bike. और अब हम जाएंगे कहीं चाय पीने, and then we'll explore it a little more.
A few moments later.
So this is our next spot, and that is the Marari beach. तो ये तीसरी जगह है जहाँ हम विजिट कर रहे हैं. Looks like we'll be able to enjoy the sunset over here. The beaches of here, they are a little calmer than the other ones, like Gokarna, Goa. Well, Gokarna की तो बात ही अलग है, because that is one of my favorite beach in the entire country. वैसे country के बाहर गया भी नहीं हूँ मैं, but here you can see chairs लगी है यहाँ पे, and beach देखते तो नहाने का मन हो गया है अभी. So sun will set in, don't know, 1 hour. 5 बज गए हैं, and this is the golden hour, and you can see that there are so many people, and पाँव फिसल रहे हैं मेरे. और यहाँ पे आपको पतंग उड़ती हुई भी मिलेगी. सो इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू कम इन दिस टाइम, अलग अलग चीज़ें जानने को मिलेगी आपको, एंड सो थोड़ा एंजॉय मैं भी कर लेता हूँ अब. आई विल सी यू इन सम टाइम. सो आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बहुत टाइम बाद पतंग उड़ा रहे हैं, और यू कैन सी, आई डोंट नो कि आपको पतंग दिख रही है या नहीं दिख रही है, बट यस, यहाँ तो पूरी मकर संक्रांति ही कर दी है. सो यू कैन सी द मून and my kite over there. डोरी तो दिख ही रही होगी, but you might not be able to see my kite. बहुत ही दूर उड़ रही है, सबसे दूर आसमान में. So yeah, beach side kite flying. If you want to enjoy, just come to Alleppey. So this is it for today. कल फिर से नया सफ़र और फिर से मिलेंगे एक नई जगह. I don't know where I'm going to go. Just like every time. The tides are really high over here, so just make sure that you just take enough precautions. Otherwise बह जाओगे, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. So please take care of that. And I think मैं आपको दिख रहा हूँ अभी. So this is Marari Beach. And it was a really good sunset. तो यहाँ पे हमने सनसेट भी देख लिया एंड पतंग भी चढ़ा ली और नहा भी लिया. 3 in 1. बहुत सारे काम कर लिया आज के लिए. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टे फॉर 1 more day इन Alleppey. तो कल का तो पता नहीं क्या करेंगे, बट देयर इज़ वन रियली गुड बीच विच इज़ 100 kilometer far, वराकल बीच. सो बहुत तारीफ़ें सुनी है इस बीच के बारे में एंड आई विल गो टुमारो देयर. तो आपको कल मिलूँगा, फिर वराकल बीच पे मिलूँगा. टिल देन सी यू लेटर, बाय बाय.